Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. And I've come with a new product. It's from Amazon and it's Divya Premium. First, let me open the wrapper. My son is helping me to cut out the papers and the bubble wrap. So, the bubble wrap, the Amazon has tightly packed the package and it's a good packing. Amazon is one of the best selling app and all the products are very good in it, excellent, and we can give 5 star for this Amazon. Flipkart also is the same. I love buying products from them. They are so reliable and original. They're not cheating. It's so good products are very good. I've been ordering for since years together, and here I have opened the Divya Premium cooktop. It's an infrared cooktop and it's coming with 2000 watt strong firepower with the 4-digit display, and it has a 4-hour timer, and it has a 12 months of warranty, overheating protection, and it's applicable for all the pans. We need not worry that it needs only induction based or some based only we can use in that. It's not like that. It's so friendly. Any tops you can use it. No need to worry for we have to be selective, picky in choosing the pans for cooking. So when about this, it's nothing like that. It's so good. And they have given a griller free with it. It's I have started to using it. It's so good, and it has a controller, power controller. See what my dad has done. He's broken the thermocols and he's messing up the rooms. Children are always like that. Here they have given a griller free, and the warranty card or the instruction manual is there. And this is the one. It has the on and off keys. It has a function mode, and it has a separate mode for the barbecue. It has an inbuilt what is that called, inbuilt settings for this thing, and it has a side handle. When it is overheated, we can just lift it and keep it. If we are going for a picnic somewhere else, when we want to use it, we can use it. And see this is the pan I'm going to use. It's a non-induction based pan. It's a prestige pan. I'm going to see how fast and how quick it's going to work. I could put in 2000 watts. Let's check it out. If you want to adjust, you can have the keys over there. It can be adjusted up and down. So I have put a little bit of rice and check whether it's warming up or what. And I've been using the steel also to show, and all, even ceramic pots and or another iron cast pot, all these can be used. Let me this is not getting warmed up as it is a cooked food rice. It's not, I couldn't know that, so I'm adding some water into it to just check it out whether it's boiling or it's working. So now let's see whether it's getting heated. I think it needs a couple of minutes to get cooked. Let us zoom and check it out whether the bubbles are coming. I'll show you the bubbles coming out in that. So it means this pan is working. Actually, this pan, when I was using induction stove, it was not working on it. I have to, whenever I make biryani for a number of people, I had to put it in the gas stove. So I was so much cautious in cooking in this. So now I have purchased this. I have no worries hereafter. See, you can see the bubbles are coming out. We are zooming in to show you the heat coming out. So it's bubbling. Yes. It's working now. You can see very well, it's cooking. So it is a very friendly cooktop. I think most of them are not aware of it. Now I'm going to put in a steel pot in it to show that this is also going to work. This also takes a minute to get heated up. I just put into my finger and checked out whether it's warmed up or not. Still, it takes a little more time to cook. I have reduced this thing. Can you see? It's in 400 watts now. The upper part is not heated. It can be touched with our bare hands, so we need not looking for a gloves. And after that, the induction top is very heated up, so beware that you don't touch it. You'll get accident into it and your hand will burn off. This is the barbecue tray they have given extra along with this. You can make even roti, chukka rotis for diabetes patient. Okay, we need not use the stove for it. And this is the overall look of it. It has 6 digits of functions, on and off, and 1 button. And the starter for the other, barbecue, and there's a fried for separate. In certain degree it will get fried, and soup also they have a timer setting 4 hours. Timer also is there, so when you want to adjust the timings, you can adjust it. So this is the lowest of 200 to 2000. So this is highly recommended. Those who are interested in this can go ahead buying this. It's not so costly. It can be budget friendly. And see how I'm showing how I'm going to make a roti in that. We have to preheat the roti before in a tawa, and then now I have put it into the griller. And this is how it comes out. That's the end of this. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for your notification.